The KAGE SnowFire without its containment box is still the best snow blade on the market for skid steers. It angle plows with up to a 35-degree angle in either direction, and back drags with ease and outstanding visibility due to its 31-inch pivot frame. The power angle function is great for switching from angle plowing for windrows to straight pushing on the go. Combine that with an optimal 65-degree attack angle and 12 degrees of oscillation for scraping, as well as a cold roll curved face for rolling snow off the blade, and you have unmatched versatility and performance from the KAGE SnowFire Snow Blade.